Is it possible to program a microcontroller without knowing a single line of Arduino code? Today we are going to test the power of prompt engineering. We will force artificial intelligence to write the full code for a XIAO ESP32-C6 controlling an RGB LED based on a temperature data from a DHT11 sensor. Here is a golden rule. The more details we provide, the better the results you will get. Instead of saying, make me a thermometer, we are going to prepare a precise set of instructions in Notepad. First, we need to check our board's pinout. We will choose D1 for red, D3 for green, and D4 for blue. Our DHT11 sensor will land on pin D5. It's always important to specify the exact board model, as the ESP32-C6 has different GPIO mapping compared to the classic ESP32.
If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections.
We will connect everything according to the schematic. Keep in mind that a 4-pin RGB LED has one common lead. In our case, it's a common cathode, which goes to ground. The DH211 sensor requires 3.3 volts supply and one signal pin. Code uploaded. Now let's open the serial monitor. As you can see, the temperature and humidity readings are already flowing in, but the real test is the LED's reaction. Initially, the temperature drops because the device is sitting by an open window, but watch what happens when I blow on the sensor. The temperature rises instantly. The AI perfectly understood the conditional logic. Project complete in just a few minutes. A large language model is an incredibly powerful tool, provided you know exactly what and how to ask.